Good morning, students. In the last video, we have done introduction of life processor, chapter of 10th class CBSE board pattern. So here in this video, we are going to describe nutrition and its different modes of nutrition. First of all, we are going to discuss definition of nutrition and basic background of the nutrition. Food is an organic substance. The simplest food is glucose. A more complex food is starch. And starch is made from glucose. Starch is carbohydrates. And carbohydrates are common food for getting energy. Fats and proteins are also foods. Foods including minerals, salts, vitamins, and water, which are essential for the growth and development of an organism. The process of taking in food and utilizing it is called nutrition. What will be the definition for nutrition? The process of intake of food and utilize it for various activities, that is metabolic activities, that is called nutrition. It is a process of which food is obtained in order to utilize it to provide energy for performing various metabolic activities of the organisms. For example, carbohydrates and fats are the nutrients which are utilized by an organism as a source of energy, whereas protein and mineral salts are nutrients utilized by an organism for the biosynthesis of its body. For the biosynthesis of its body, constituents like skin, blood, etc. Modes of nutrition. Modes of nutrition means methods of procuring food or obtaining food by an organisms. All organisms do not obtain their food in the same way. They obtain food in different ways. That means different organisms have different modes of obtaining food. So now we are going to describe two modes of nutrition. These are the two main modes of nutrition. First is autotrophic nutrition. Second is heterotrophic nutrition. Now we are going to discuss autotrophic mode of nutrition. The word auto means self and trophy means nutrition. So autotrophic means self nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which organism makes its own food from the simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide, water present in our surroundings. The green plants have an autotrophic mode of nutrition. The autotrophic bacteria are also obtained their food by the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Those organisms which can make their own food from the carbon dioxide and water are called autotrophs. Those organisms which can make their own food from carbon dioxide and water are called autotrophs. Carbon dioxide and water are inorganic substances. All green plants are autotrophs. Autotrophic organisms contains the green pigment called chlorophyll which traps sunlight. This trapped sunlight is utilized by the autotrophs to make food by combining inorganic materials like carbon dioxide, water present in the environment by the process of photosynthesis. So, autotrophic makes their own food by photosynthesis. So we can say autotrophs are producers of food. So we can say autotrophs are producers of food. This food is utilized by human beings and other animals. Now we are going to discuss second mode of nutrition, that is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. The word heteros means others and trophy refers to nutrition. Thus we can say heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make its own food from simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide, water, and depends on the other organisms for its food. So, this mode of nutrition is that nutrition in which organisms cannot make their own food, but they can get food from other organisms. This mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. So, heterotrophic nutrition is a consumer which derives its nutrition from other organisms. All the animals have a autotrophic mode of nutrition. Most bacteria and fungi also have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Those organisms which cannot make their own food from inorganic substances like carbon dioxide, water, depends upon other organisms for their food are called heterotrophs. All the animals are heterotrophs. The non-green plants like yeast are also heterotrophs. Non-green plants are coming under this category or mode of nutrition, that is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now some other types of heterotrophic nutrition. We are going to discuss some types of heterotrophic nutrition. It is of three kinds. First is saprophytic nutrition, second is parasitic nutrition, third is holozoic nutrition. Now we are going to describe one by one. First we are considering saprophytic nutrition. It's very common nutrition. It is the nutrition in which an organism obtains its food from decaying organic matter of dead plants and animals and rotten breads, etc. Fungi like bread molds, mushrooms, yeast, and many bacteria and are saprophytes. We know fungi and bacteria are a kind of plants. Now second mode of nutrition, that is heterotrophic nutrition, which is the second type that is under subtype parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition is that nutrition in which an organism derives its food from the body of other living organisms. That is host. Host means the body obtain its nutrition from the body of the other living organism without killing it. The kind of nutrition is observed in many fungi, bacteria, and a few plants like cascata, or you can say amarvale, and in some animals like plasmodium and roundworms. This type of nutrition is seen in the parasitic nutrition like cascata, or you can say some of the animals plasmodium, roundworms. Third heterotrophic holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition means feeding on solid food. Most of the organisms like animals take the solid food into their body by the process of ingestion. The ingested food is ingested in simpler substances which are then absorbed into the cell of the body. All and the undigested and unabsorbed waste materials are thrown out of the body by the process of excretion. According to the Holozoic nutrition, organisms take the complex food materials into its body by the process of ingestion. The ingested food is digested and then absorbed into the body of the organisms. The human beings and most of the animals have a holozoic mode of nutrition. Many more examples of Holozoic nutrition are cat, dog, tiger, fish, amoeba, all have this type of mode of nutrition. Have a nice day. If you are having any query about the nutrition or mode of nutrition, you can send your message into the chat box. I will try to clarify it. Thank you.